ProMax Run is marketed as a high-performance running shoe designed to provide superior comfort, support, and durability for athletes and casual runners alike. With claims of advanced cushioning, breathable materials, and enhanced stability, it seems like an appealing option for those seeking quality footwear. However, many are questioning whether ProMax Run is legit or just another scam. Some users report positive experiences, praising the shoe's comfort and stylish design, stating it performed well during runs or daily use. However, significant concerns remain. Many customers have expressed disappointment, noting issues such as poor durability, with the sole wearing out or stitching coming undone after minimal use. Others mention that the shoe doesn't live up to its promises, offering little arch support or cushioning compared to established brands. Additionally, the lack of transparency about the manufacturer and limited availability on trusted retail platforms raise suspicions about its credibility. In a nutshell, while ProMax Run may seem like an affordable alternative to premium running shoes, its inconsistent quality and questionable reputation make it hard to recommend confidently. Stick to reputable brands with proven track records for better performance and reliability. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.